This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 36 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we are continuing with the Ascent of the Forearm. After looking at the magazine, the return of the gems. Did they get stolen? Or did he give them away? Or did he lose them? I don't remember. I don't know. But you can read the words and find out if you desire to. 2 pages. Feels like there's 2 pages, but I don't think it is. There we go. Read more about the gems on those pages as well. And indeed, those. Looks like a big story about getting them all back. So yes, this is another big chunk to put onto the front of this. This is the middle front section, and obviously a nice decorative piece. Going to go on there nicely and make it look a bit like that when it's done. Get in there. Star-Lord. Yeah, exiled Earthling. Well, exiled, kidnapped, depending on whose point of view. There we go. Read all about Star-Lord. Chris Pratt, obviously, in the movies. Dan Abnett, the creator of Heroes. And that's that. So, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this final part assembled. So, here we have it. It's another big, lovely looking part. This is obviously where it's going to attach into the gauntlet at some point, but not quite yet. First of all, we're going to assemble it onto the side here. It's going to go on like that. So, yeah, there's obviously more to happen up here at some point. The gauntlet doesn't go down that far. So, yeah, this is obviously thumb attachment areas. And there's another band that's going to go around the base as well. So it's not even full size yet. But we've got 3 more screws to hold that in place. And while I'm putting those in, I shall remind you that you can obviously like and subscribe if you want to join the channel. Yeah, you can become a channel member by clicking the join button. But yeah, apparently most of my viewers are not subscribed. So come along, subscribe. If you like it enough to watch, then you know, why not subscribe? You might as well. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. It does cost you if you want to become a channel member. But for that, you get my undying gratitude and other little perks as well. Get some early access videos and posts and polls and things from time to time, as well as say some access to a couple of extra videos and things. And I'll be adding more as perks to that for channel members as time goes by. So do consider doing that, or indeed become a patron over at patreon.com. Links to all of this are in the descriptions below. So feel free to do that. If not, I say just subscribing adds to my channel count and helps people find me. Spread the word. Let other people know how good you find it stuff over here. So that is that. I'll tighten those up because that's not very tight at the moment. But that is how it's going to be looking when that's done. It's getting there. It's huge. Look, that's just the bit that goes over here. It's massive. I'm blown away by the size and scale of it every time I add something new to it. It's very, very impressive. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye for now.